Hi there, welcome back to the Scriptcase Macros course. My name is Nate Carpenter, and today we're looking at the sc-hide group by rule. So let's go ahead and look at what this macro does and get started with showing you how to use it. So this macro disables a group by rule at runtime, so the user cannot use it. So let's go ahead and look at the documentation for this. So pretty simple. We can do one or more group by rules here, and we just need to pass them in separated by colons. So these rule IDs are generated by Scriptcase when you create the group by, or you can create them yourselves. They just need to be unique. So let's go ahead and copy this and take it over to this grid. So I have a basic grid set up here, and I have a couple group bys already set up. So we go to group by and then static group by. There are my two group bys, and we could create a new one if we wanted, or we could expand one of these and click on settings, and you can add fields to this group by and total fields as well. So if you're unfamiliar with group bys in Scriptcase, that's how it works. Let's go ahead and run this grid here. So as you can see, I have one set up by default, rental ID and staff ID. And then we can change it here to this one, payment date and staff ID. So we're going to take this initial one off, this rental ID, staff ID, so that when we initially load it, it's going to look different. So let's go here to events, then on application init, and copy in that code sc group by rule, put the parentheses, and then we need to type in the group by rule we're using, which is the rental ID underscore staff ID. So make sure I spelled that correctly. And when I get it all typed in, put the semicolon there, and we should run this, and it should start out on a different group by, and we should only have that one group by available to us. So we run this, let it load, and there we go. So there's that payment date staff ID, different group by, and then the group by button has also disappeared from the screen since we only have one. So that's how you use the sc-hide group by rule to disable a group by rule in runtime.